Alright traders, we are live right now. Good morning everyone, and I see more than 30 members already watching this stream live. And while other members are connecting to the live stream, I want to ask you traders, just in case if we have any connection problems, let me know in the chat, because unfortunately I cannot check the state of the stream by my own. Here I'm relying on you. Moreover, I'm doing this live stream from a new place, yes, and I don't know how the internet works right here. I don't know about the noise, about the stuff. So just in case if something goes wrong, yes, let me know in our live chat on YouTube. Moreover, traders, during these live streams, I want to have a conversation with you. I want to talk to you, and for that reason, if you have any question, if you want to ask me something, here on YouTube we have a live chat, and there you can ask me questions. Yes, there you can ask me to analyze any pair, any instrument. There you can ask me questions about life, about trading strategies, everything you want. So feel free to do that and don't be shy. And many people already here. Nice to see Bart right here. Nice to see Steven, Leela, Duncan, so many people, so many. Rodney, yes, nice to see you. Nice to see you. Good morning, traders. Yes, Nazir right here. Kenneth, really happy to see you all, traders. One more thing that I wanted to mention before we start is that due to current situation, let's try to avoid political topics. Yes, as you know, I'm Russian. Yes, I was born in Russia, and to me, all the things that are happening right now are very personal. Yes, and to be honest, my family is quite in trouble right now. So I don't really want to cover the political topics. Yes, and moreover, I really want to avoid any kind of conflicts right here. So let's try to have a conversation in peace. Yes, let's try to respect each other. Yes, and with that, let's start. So moreover, just for those who don't know me, my name is Vasily. I am a pro trader. I trade for more than 8 years. I'm a Forex trader. I trade gold, I trade stocks, I trade oil, many different instruments, and I'm a pure price action trader. Yes, in my analysis, I apply the top-down trading strategy and analyze multiple time frames, and with the price action patterns and structure, I'm looking for trading opportunities. And in this live streams, I will teach you how to apply my trading strategy. And for today, I prepared a very big list of instruments to discuss with you. Moreover, we will cover the instruments that you ask. So let's start. First, I wanted to discuss with you EURUSD traders, because while I was absent, many of you were texting me about EURUSD, what to expect from EURUSD. And as you can see, war affects very negatively EURUSD. You can see that the market is falling, and last week was very bearish for EURUSD. And actually, the market violated a very strong weekly structure. Yes, you can see that in the weekly time frame we had right here a very strong horizontal structure that was broken to the downside with this high momentum bearish candle. And of course on EURUSD we are very bearish. Yes, we are very bearish biased, and we are expecting a bearish continuation right here. For now, the closest structure that I see is right here. In my view, the market will go north, yes, and in my view, quite soon the market will reach that structure. But even though the market is rallying, you can see that today, it looks like bulls finally are here, and we see some local bullish movements. So for now, what I'm looking for on EURUSD, I really want to see the retest of that broken structure. Yes, to me, that structure right here looks very strong for shorting, and I am patiently waiting for the test of that structure to short from here. Yes, and remember, traders, being the top-down traders, it is not enough for us to wait for the retest of that structure. Yes, once that structure is retested, we should look for the confirmation. Yes, and what is the confirmation? By the confirmation, we mean the reversal pattern being formed on intraday time frames. And During our today's discussion, I will show you the examples of the intraday confirmations. So I will show you how to spot this kind of confirmations. Also, traders, let me know, what do you expect from your dollar? Do you agree with me that the market looks very bearish and it will most likely keep falling? Yes, and nice to see West right here, nice to see Naeem right here, nice to see Sanjim, a lot of people right here, nice to see Farimar. Yeah, and question from Fatima: what is the best time for the market to trade? I guess the best time for you to trade is the US session and London session. Yes, personally, I trade the entire UK session. Yes, the UK opening, the entire UK session, and then the opening of the US session. Yes, and then I am done. And in my view, the most boring trading session is the Asian session. So that is the session that I would personally skip. And anyway, I am sleeping during the Asian session. Thanks God that I have such a good time zone. So this is the outlook for your dollar. Yes, traders, be prepared for the test of that structure, and from there look for the confirmation to sell. Now let's discuss what kind of confirmations we are looking for. Let's open Euro-Pound pair. On the Euro-Pound pair, let me show you what happened recently. On the Euro-Pound pair, the market recently broke this structure on the daily. You can see that we are trading in a bearish trend. And last week we got the breakout, the bearish violation of that horizontal structure support to the downside. You can see that for some time we were coiling on that structure, and then that structure was broken. And the market reached that structure low right here. And from that low, we see the retracement. Look what I spotted right here. Here I spotted a very, 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 very cute ABCD pattern. Look, here we have harmonic ABCD pattern that was completed, and it looks like the market is retracing right now. But because the market is bearish, because we are trading in a bearish trend with a very high probability the market will drop from that structure, and from that structure we will see a further bearish continuation. So now you can see that the market is perfectly trading within that structure. So our task is to look for the confirmation within that structure to sell. What is the confirmation, traders? Let's open the 4-hour time frame first. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, the market for now is very bullish. Even though here locally we were coiling, you can see that here the market was weak for some time. Now we see a bullish continuation. And if we open hourly time frame, on an hourly time frame, for now, what we should look for? For now, we may look for the head and shoulders pattern. Yes, for now you can see that we have a perfect left shoulder. Yes, at the moment the market is forming the head, and then I would wait for the formation of the right shoulder. Yes, that will be the reversal pattern that confirms that the structure that we spotted will be respected. Yes, and then once the pattern is formed, our task is to patiently wait for the breakout of its neckline to the downside as the trigger, and then we short, expecting a bearish continuation. Yes, so setting our stop above the right shoulder. Here's a potential trade that we will take. So I want you to pay close attention to Euro-Pound this week, because definitely the market right now is trading within a very strong zone of supply, and chances will be very high that from that zone the market will drop. But for now we don't have a confirmation. So watch how the price reacts to that structure on intraday time frames. Yes, 4-hour, 1-hour time frames, and there look for the reversal pattern. Yes. Lav from India says Sanjeev, thank you, bro. And Naeem asked to analyze dollar cat. Let's take a look at dollar cat together, traders, and let's see what is happening with dollar cat. Dollar cat is playing with our expectations. To be honest, traders, I bought the pair from that structure. From that support, I opened the long position, and here I was stopped out. You can see that here we got a false breakout, the false violation of the structure, and the market started to grow. Moreover, if we zoom out the chart, you can see that overall the market right now looks quite bullish, and for now the price is perfectly respecting this rising trend line. And you can see that this bullish rally that we see right now, it initiated from a bit higher point. So unfortunately for technical traders, it was very hard to catch this bullish movement. But the point that I'm trying to make is that with a very high probability, we will see a bullish continuation in dollar CAD. And I assume that quite soon that structure high will be reached. Bias is very bullish. Bullish continuation is expected. So bro, let the market go higher. And if you're looking for buying opportunities, unfortunately, the closest point for us to look for buying is that trend line. Yes, let the price reach that trend line. And from that trend line, look for the confirmation to buy. That will be the best strategy for you to follow. And Christina asked to analyze Aussie dollar. Yes, let's take a look at Aussie dollar, because in my list for today, Aussie dollar is green. Yes, you can see that in my watch list, Aussie dollar pair is green. It means that I'm looking for trading opportunities right here. And you can see that on a daily time frame, analyzing the market on a daily time frame, from the beginning of February, the market is very bullish. You can see that we are rallying nicely. And recently, the price violated that horizontal supply cluster to the upside. Yes, you can see that we broke above that structure, and now we see the retest of that structure. So from that structure, we are looking for buying opportunities. Yes, from that structure, I want to buy the market. So again, traders, now we are looking for the confirmation to buy. We make a prediction right now that from that structure, the market will keep growing. The only thing that we need right now is to wait for the confirmation, because opening the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we are still bearish. For now, we are falling and falling and falling. So your task right now is to patiently wait for the confirmation right here. Yes, wait for the reversal pattern right here, and then buy, expecting a bullish continuation. Let me know, traders, if something is not clear. Let me know if you have any question. Nice to see Victor right here. Nice to see Pascal. Nice to see Dosa right here. Nice to see you, traders. Yes, nice to see you, and thank you. Thank you for watching this stream live. I truly appreciate that. Yes. And I see the question from Shahabarmoon. And by the way, traders, if I pronounce your name incorrectly, sorry for that. Occasionally, it is quite hard to know how to pronounce the name. So sorry if I do that incorrectly. So, sir, I think your GBP has reversal head and shoulders on 4-hour. So, bro, if you see the reversal head and shoulders pattern on 4-hour, let's check, because for now, to be honest, I don't see any head and shoulders pattern here on the 4-hour. Here we have this one. I guess, bro, you are talking about this head and shoulders pattern. This one, yes. But, bro, the point is that this head and shoulders pattern right here played out already. Why? Because if we measure the range of this pattern, yes, and then project that range, you can see that already the price perfectly reached the point of the projected range of this pattern. So with that, we see that this pattern already played out, and we won't trade this pattern right now. Yes. So I hope that it is clear. Yes, I hope that you understand that from a current perspective, definitely the opportunity right here is already missed. Yes, so that is the point. I wanted to show you, traders, a very nice buying opportunity on Swiss yen, because on Swiss yen, look what is happening. By the way, traders, we always start our analysis with the higher time frames. Yes, and the time frame that I prefer to start with is the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame we can identify the global market trend, and moreover on a daily time frame we can identify the key levels. Yes, support and resistance, supply and demand zones, the trend lines. So analyzing the pair on a daily time frame, you can see that we are trading in a strong bullish trend. You can see that for a very long time the market is growing. And for now, you can see that the price is perfectly respecting this rising trend line. you can see that this trend line was respected many times in the past. And definitely from that trend line, we can look for trend following opportunities. Then look what is happening on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, once that trend line was reached, you can see that here we got multiple rejections. You can see that here the market started to coil, and you can see that the price definitely stopped falling. Yes, it is very, very, very telling. But moreover, look what I spotted on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, right here, we have a perfect example of the ascending triangle formation. Yes, I hope you see this classic reversal price action pattern, the ascending triangle. And this ascending triangle, traders, we will trade. Yes, we will trade this ascending triangle. And for now, what we are looking for to buy Swiss yen, we are looking for the bullish breakout of its neckline. Yes, hourly candle close above the neckline. And then on a retest, we will buy the market, expecting a bullish continuation at least to a current local structure high. So take a look, traders. First of all, our stop loss will lie below the lows of the pattern. Yes, so that we will make our position safe. And here will be our take profit. Yes, so here with the initial target, we get 1.7 risk to reward. Yes, but remember, as we discussed, we are trading in a bullish trend. So the market then can easily go higher to our structure high on a daily. You can see that on a daily, here we have the current high, yes, the high of this year. So I'm quite sure that after the test of the local high, the market will go to the year's high. Yes, so here will be our second target. Yes, so we'll close 50% of profits once the price reaches the first target, and then the rest will keep and wait for the test of the second target. Moreover, traders, remember to start protection of your trading position from bit lower levels. I believe that once the price reaches that structure around 125.5 level, we will move our stop to entry. Yes, and we will make our position risk-free. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear with this trading setup. Let me know if you have any question. Yes. Guru asks, is it bullish or bearish Aussie dollar? Bro, very bullish. Yes, as we just discussed on Aussie dollar, we got the breakout of key level to the upside. Now we see it retest. So most likely, quite soon the pair will keep growing. Lunga says, can you please take us through on gold? Traders, do you want me to analyze gold? Yes, because let me know if you have some questions about gold. I can open that and we can analyze that together. I see double bottom failed on Aussie dollar. Good eye, bro. Yes, one double bottom there didn't play out. Yes, it was formed during the Asian session. There was a neckline breakout, and yes, the pattern there did not play out. And once we see the situation like that, we're simply waiting for one more pattern. Yes, because of course, sometimes we cannot win 100% of the time. Sometimes we will lose. That is the fact. Yes. So on Aussie dollar, the first double bottom did not play out. So we are waiting for the second one. Yes, that is the goal. Yes, and with my students, when we spot a very wide, very big zone of supply and demand, and when we are looking for trades there, sometimes the first reversal pattern that we trade doesn't play out, but then we are waiting for the second one, and the second one finally plays out, and we recover the loss from the first one. Yes, I hope you understand the point. Yes, nice to see Danny right here. Good morning. You are doing a great job. Thank you, Danny. Thank you. I truly appreciate your support. Help me with pound Aussie pair, says Ridwan. Sure. By the way, on pound Aussie, very nice confirmation yesterday. If we open the daily time frame on pound Aussie, traders, even weekly, let's open weekly, because I want you to realize that pound Aussie reached a key level yesterday. Yes, here we got a very strong horizontal key level that was reached. Yes, did you see that structure, bro? Did you see this very strong key level that the market has reached? And look how the market reacted to that structure. Look at this doji candle with the rejection. Look at this rejection. Once the price reached that key level, we were nicely rejected. So look how strong that structure is. And if we open the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, look, we had a very strong bearish rally. Yes, you can see so many bearish candles right here. You can see how nicely the market was falling. Yes, very strong bearish movement right here. But once the structure was reached, the market started to grow. Yes, buyers started to buy. Definitely, someone started to buy. And moreover, traders, look what happened on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, the price formed a classic double bottom formation. Yes, double bottom formation, neckline breakout, retest, some coiling, yes, and bullish continuation. Yes, so very classic reversal. Yes, very classic reversal. And for now on pound Aussie, pullback is expected. Yes, and hopefully the pair will go higher. So you could easily buy this pair, bro. You could easily open a long position right here with your stop loss lying below the lows of the pattern and your take profit. Let me show you where most likely the market is going right now. On a daily time frame, looking left at structure, look right here, we have a very strong horizontal structure resistance. So I believe that the market is going there. So our target will be around that structure. So for now, bullish continuation is expected on pound Aussie. And those who bought pound Aussie did a very nice job, traders. Yes, because here we have a classic price action reversal. Yes. Again, Kaone asks about Aussie dollar. Bro, we already analyzed Aussie dollar together, so please watch the recording. But the overall bias right now is very bullish. We got this structure breakout. Yes, right now we see it's retest, so we are looking for bullish trend continuation on pound Aussie. Different confirmation in multi-time frame. What we should do, asks Idris. The point is that my confirmations are very precise. So by confirmation, I mean the reversal price action pattern formed on hourly or 4-hour time frame. What reversal patterns do we treat? We treat double tops and bottoms, head and shoulders, inverted one and classic one, the triangle, ascending and descending one. And wedge pattern, yes, the flags, these are the classic price action pattern every trader must know. And we treat these patterns on intraday time frames, yes, only on 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. I hope that it is clear. And yes, I see that many of you want me to analyze gold. Let's open the chart and let's analyze gold together. What is happening? And by the way, it is crazy that the market reached 2000 level. It is really crazy what is happening with gold. And traders, I wanted to show you that gold recently violated this major weekly structure. Yes, here on the weekly time frame, you can see that we had a very strong horizontal weekly structure. And that structure was broken to the upside. Moreover, technically speaking, for a quite long period of time, the market was trading within the range. You can see that we were ranging, and that range was broken to the upside. The next strong structure resistance is our all-time structure high. And traders, I guess with a very high probability the market will reach that structure soon. Yes, prepare yourself for a bullish continuation to 2067 level. I believe that will be there soon. And the only problem is that even though it is quite easy to make very bullish forecasts on gold, it is quite hard to buy it safely. What I'm looking for right now on gold, I am waiting for the test of that structure. Yes, that is our structure from where we will look for buying opportunities. So wait for the test of the structure, and here look for the confirmation to buy, and potentially we can catch here a very nice long trade. So for now, you can see that on a 4-hour time frame, the market is a bit strange. Yes, you can see that we started to coil. You can see that here we have some zigzags. You can see that the market is quite overbought. Yes, we must admit that the market is quite overbought, and definitely soon we will see a pullback. So our task will be to buy the market after this pullback. So really, traders, because of the current geopolitical situation, yes, inflation will spike, uncertainty spikes. Yes, everyone doesn't know what to expect, and for that reason, investors definitely select the safe haven assets. Yes, and gold definitely is the safe haven asset. So I believe it will keep growing. So just let the price retest that broken structure, and let's try to buy the market from that broken structure. Let me know, traders, what do you personally expect from gold? Are you bullish or bearish? What are your expectations? Let me know. Also, let me know if everything is clear so far with my analysis on gold. By the way, here also I spotted this trend line. Yes, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see this trend line. So with that trend line, we can make our potential reversal zone a bit more narrow. Yes, and here, yes, this is the very strong, how we call it, the confluence zone. Yes, the confluence zone between the intraday trend line and the daily structure. So that structure here is very strong. Watch that carefully, wait for the test of the structure, and from there look for buying opportunities. Yes. Nice to see David right here. Hi, Vasily. I'm from Malaysia. I'm your sincere follower. Thank you so much, David. Thank you so much. Nice to see Joshua right here. Master. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Joe T says, hello. Nice to see Pi right here. Pi asks to analyze Ethereum. Let's analyze Ethereum together. Let's take a look at Ethereum. But by the way, traders, overall right now, I guess that crypto market may easily recover. Yes, definitely it reached some psychological lows. So I won't be surprised if crypto market will start recovering quite soon. But from a current perspective, what we see? First of all, you can see somewhere here I saw the trend line. Yeah, kind of like that. From a current perspective, I would say that Ethereum is kind of trading within this indecisive triangle. Yes, decision triangle. The market participants right now doesn't know what to do. Yes, of course, traders, I want you to realize that during the moments of uncertainty, investors prefer safe haven assets to risky assets. And crypto is a very risky asset to hold in your portfolio. For that reason, the market is coiling right now. For that reason, the crypto market is trading sideways right now, because investors are waiting for the end of the war. Yes. And I guess the politicians will sign some treaty quite soon, and for crypto market it will be very bullish sign. Yes, so look for some fundamentals to buy crypto. Yes, and from current perspective, of course, consider only intraday trading on crypto. Yes, buying and holding right now is not an option. Yes, only intraday trading, quick trades, quick shorting, quick buying. Yes, that is what we are looking for on crypto. Let me know, traders, if you have any question. Yes, let me know if you want to ask me something. Nice to see Patrick right here. Please analyze pound Swiss. Sure, Patrick, let's analyze pound Swiss together. By the way, I bought pound Swiss, and to be honest, my position right now is in a drawdown. Yes, let me show you why I bought pound Swiss. Let me show you what to expect from pound Swiss, and let me show you how to buy pound Swiss from a current perspective. Let me show you the price action pattern that I spotted here on the 4-hour. But first, traders, Analyzing the market on a weekly time frame, look what I see on pound Swiss. On a pound Swiss pair, you can see that the market reached a very strong horizontal weekly structure. You can see that here we have a very strong horizontal structure support that was reached. Then if we open a daily time frame, on a daily time frame, you can see that the market remains bearish. Yes, we must admit that on a daily, the market remains bearish, and even here we see the new lower close. The market violated the previous low. So again, quite bearish sign. But look what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, finally someone started to buy, and here we have the local bullish movement. Moreover, this night we see the bullish engulfing candle here on the 4-hour. Yes, so that is a good sign. And actually, traders, look what I spotted yesterday on pound Swiss. Here I spotted this double bottom formation. Yes, double bottom formation. And moreover, here I spotted this trend line. Yes, you can see that here the market was following this trend line for some time. So look, yesterday the price broke the trend line to the upside, and also the price broke the neckline of this double bottom formation. So I bought the pair. I'm currently having an active long trade. Yes, with my stop lying below the lows of the pattern. And this morning I was almost stopped out. Yes, hopefully, when I was watching how the price was reaching these lows, I was praying like, bro, someone please push the market higher. Don't let my position be stopped out. And for now, I am in the game. And for now, I expect a bullish movement. And for now, my first structure, my first goal is that structure. Yes, here I see quite strong intraday structure shelf. Yes, and my take profit, it's lower boundary. Yes, and my second target is the current structure high, local high, the low high, this one. Yes, so this is my current long trade on pound Swiss. Yes, and I really want this setup to play out, because we are trading right now from key weekly structure. Yes, very strong weekly structure there. So let's hope that this setup will play out. Let me know, traders, if something is not clear with this trading setup. Moreover, if you want to buy pound Swiss from a current perspective, two options for you. The first option is to trade this double bottom. Yes, you can see that here we have this double bottom, and you can buy this double bottom with your target, initial target being that structure. Yes, so you can take this scalp trade. Yes, here will be your first target, and then right here will be your second target. Yes, that is the first option for you to follow here on pound Swiss. One more option for you to follow on pound Swiss is to trade this pair on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a very nice foundation for a double bottom. Again, look. And by the way, the neckline of this double bottom matches perfectly with this structure here on the left. So buying the breakout, the 4-hour candle close above the neckline, setting the long position on a retest, here is one more trading opportunity for you to follow. So you can see a lot of options to trade pound Swiss. I already have an active long position. Yes, traders, I am holding my long. Yes, and so far I am in a position. And here are different opportunities for you to follow on pound Swiss. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Yes. So traders, let me read your questions. Nice to see read one right here. Nice to see Chris right here. Sir, please, how do you calculate how much money do you lose or make in a trade, considering that you have stop loss and target, because you always said we should risk no more than 1% of account? So nice question from Chris. Basically, traders, what Chris is asking is how to risk 1% of your account per trade. And that is simple. First of all, you need to open the position size calculator. Yes, Google that, they are free. For example, I really like the Baby Peps position size calculator. Then what you should do, you should measure the pip value of your stop loss. Yes, it is very important for you to measure the pip value of your stop loss. Here you can see that our stop loss is 80 pips. Yes, then once you know the pip value of your stop loss, the position size calculator will help you to calculate how much the lot size for risking 1% of your account. Yes, it is very simple. Try it. Moreover, on my YouTube channel in risk management playlist, I guess there's a video about the position size calculator, or just text me about after the live stream, and I will send you the link how to use it. It is very simple. Thank you for asking. Then I see the question from West about dollar yen pair. What to expect from dollar yen pair? Let's take a look at the pair together and let's see what is going on there. The point is that dollar yen is trading in a bullish trend, definitely. You can see that we are trading in a strong bullish trend, and for now it looks like we have a bullish continuation here on dollar yen. So far, bro, here we have the equal highs. You can see that here we have two equal highs. And for now, the market keeps setting the high lows. So I am preparing for one more test of this structure. Yes, one more test of this highs. And then potentially the market can go higher. Yes, in case if we see the bullish breakout of that horizontal resistance cluster to the upside, I guess the market will go higher and we will see a bullish continuation. Moreover, traders, look, here we have this trend line, and for now the market perfectly respects this trend line. So the market, it looks like the market is forming the ascending triangle right here. So as we know, the ascending triangle is a very bullish pattern, yes, and the breakout of its horizontal resistance is a very strong bullish clue, yes. Endosa says, really saving up for your premium trading course. I want to be a pro like you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I will be really happy if you become a member. I will do my best, bro, to teach you all the things that I know in trading. Jafar says, hi, how come this time we don't use a larger stop loss structure? Thanks. Jafar, please, could you paraphrase your question, because I don't get it, to be honest. Astronomy fan says, you are the best, Vasily. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Sidar says, is Euro Yen still a strong long position? Yes, let's analyze Euro Yen together, traders, and let's see what is happening with Euro Yen. I'm very bullish on Euro Yen, and yesterday I bought the pair. Yes, again, traders, on Euro Yen, very great buying opportunity that you should definitely take. And yesterday, look, yesterday the price reached this weekly structure. On the weekly time frame, Euro Yen reached this very strong horizontal structure support. Yes, you can see how nice structure we have right here. And look how the price reacted to this structure. On the daily time frame, we were nicely rejected. Look, here, the wick of that candle is bigger than the body of the candle. It means that once that point was reached, someone started to buy, and bears were so-called rejected. The buying volumes here were very strong. And look what happened on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, look, here we got the inside bar formation. You can see that here we got the mother's bar, and then here we got two inside bars, and then the market violated the mother's bar to the upside, and as we know, it is a very strong bullish clue. On hourly time frame, look what we have right here. The market here formed a classic double bottom. Again, double bottom. Look how many double bottoms we see. Yes, very nice double bottom. The price formed this double bottom, broke its neckline to the upside, retest. I bought the pair on a retest, set my stop loss below the lows, and currently I'm holding a long position. My take profit is that structure. Look, here we have quite strong resistance cluster, So my first goal is there. So 2 to 1 risk to reward. Yes, quite nice. Buying opportunity right here. Yes, so watch. Let's see how this setup will play out. Yes, in my view, again, very nice example of the top-down confirmation setup. We spotted a very strong weekly structure first. Then on the hourly time frame, we spotted the reversal pattern. Yes, the neckline breakout, the retest, and right now the market is growing, and I really want it to grow. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear with this trading setup. Let me know if you have any question concerning that. Yes. Then there was a question from Mohammed concerning Aussie CAD pair. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD pair together. And traders, by the way, sorry for answering your questions so slowly. You text so many questions in the live chat, so it takes time to give good answer to each and every viewer. So I will do my best to answer to all your questions. Yes, so don't worry. It is your time. So I will spend as much money as much time as we need to discuss all your questions. So what is up with Aussie CAD? Aussie CAD pair reached again a very strong weekly structure cluster. Yes, I hope you saw, bro, that the market reached this very strong zone of supply. Moreover, if we add the FEPS, yes, if we add the FEPS, I guess there we got the 50% retracement. Yes, perfectly 50% retracement. And here, I guess we have the 618. So yeah, look, very, very, very important zone of confluence that was reached. And no surprise from that, the market started to fall. Yes, I hope that you saw this confluence there, bro. Yes, very nice confluence between the horizontal structure on the weekly and the retracements of the last two bearish legs. Yes. With that being said, let's see what happened on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we formed a very nice rejection candle. Yes, we were nicely rejected right here. And on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we set the low high right here. And here the price broke that structure to the downside. So I expect a bearish continuation. For now, I believe that the pair can easily drop to that structure cluster. So for now, bearish continuation is expected. Yes, be ready for a further decline on Aussie CAD. Yes. Then concerning EURUSD we discussed. Then my analysis is good now because of Vasily education, says Sammy. Thank you, Sammy. Thank you so much. Thank you. I truly appreciate your support. Badik says, all the respect to you, Vasily. Can you please go live more often? I will try. Unfortunately, I have some problems. Yes, unfortunately for now, it is very hard for me to settle. Yes, but I will do my best to do it as fast and as quick as I can. So definitely, I really like live streaming. Yes, I really like to do that, and unfortunately, because of the current situation, to me it is a bit harder to do that. But I will do my best to do live streams more often. Thank you so much for supporting me. Then he says, Master, for swing trader, do they need both fundamental and technical analysis to get a better entry, or they should just focus on technical analysis to determine their entry? Danny, I truly believe that for a swing trader, the first thing that you must learn is the trend analysis. Yes, learn to identify the market trend, learn to read the trend, and then learn to spot key levels. Yes, spot the key structure levels. I guess these two things are enough to be a professional swing trader. Of course, you can little bit increase the accuracy of your predictions, applying the fundamentals, applying some confirmations, but the core is the trend analysis and structure analysis. Yes, so learn these things and learn to, being a swing trader, you must learn to follow the market trend. Yes, in my view, for swing trading, the best strategy to follow is the trend following trading strategy. And to be a professional trend follower, trend analysis and structure analysis are very, 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 very important. Let me know, traders, if you have any question. Let me know if something is not clear. And one more question from IGG Fundamental is also as important as technical, so use both. I do agree, but the point is that most of the fundamental data that we get is delayed. Yes, so most of the time, the politicians, big money, they have the data before we get that. Yes, for that reason, the market, when we get the information, most of the time, the price already reflects that data. Yeah, I hope you got what I'm trying to say. If you want to become a fundamental trader, you must remember that you should buy the data. Yes, Bloomberg terminal and stuff will help you to get in time fundamental data. But just reading the free news outlets, I believe that fundamental trading won't work. Yes, that is. These are my thoughts. I hope you understand. Yes. What pair is this, please? This one is Aussie Cat. Yes, here right now, Aussie Cat pair is opened. Can you explain the difference in the stop loss strategy you used just now between gold and euro yen trade, bro? With all my trades, I apply the same trading strategy. Yes, the main point with my stop loss placement is that I'm looking for some reversal pattern. Yes, some ascending triangle, the head and shoulders, this stuff. And what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to set my stop loss just simply below the lows. Yes, when I want to buy the market, I set my stop below the lows of the pattern. Yes, that makes my trade safe. Yes, very, 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 very simple approach. And again, on my YouTube channel, I have a video about stop loss placement. In risk management playlist, I shared my entire stop loss placement strategy, so you can check that. Yeah. How do you manage setups to spot a confirmation? Says Victor. Very good question, Victor. So, for example, we discussed together, traders, this potential long trade on Swiss yen. Yes, and we discussed that we need the hourly candle close above the neckline to then buy on a retest. So how do we manage this confirmation? We manage this confirmation setting the alert just above the neckline. You can see that here I have the alert lying above the neckline. And once the price attempts to break the neckline, I will be notified. On my phone, I have the TradingView app, and there I will get the notification that Swiss yen is breaking the structure. Then I will open the chart, and then I will patiently waiting for the hourly candle close. In case if the hourly candle closes above, then I will set my buy limit. If the hourly candle closes below, I will set the alert again and go away. Yes, that is how I manage the confirmations. Yes, I hope you got the point. Yes. Then Mukisa says, can you please tell us about correlations? It seems like dollar yen treats the same like dollar Swiss. Traders, a very big problem with the correlations is that sometimes we see the correlations and sometimes we don't see them. And it is quite hard to see when will be the next time when the instruments will be closely correlated. Yes, in my view, correlation trading is very hard. Yes, many factors involved in this correlations. Yes, closer are the correlations, harder it is to spot the exact moment when we see such kind of correlations. So it is hard Truly, it is hard, and yes, sometimes all dollar peers are acting similarly. Sometimes they act differently. It always depends. And I guess we cannot find any instrument, any peer, any peers that are trading in a close correlation all the time. Yeah, so in my view, it is better if you are learning how to trade. It is better to avoid correlation trading. Yes. Pi says, appreciate your advice, sir. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Can you please analyze US 30 or NASDAQ? Mr. Vasily says, Siponi. Yes, of course. Let's analyze US 30 index. But as you know, traders, for now, I'm very bearish on US 30 index. Let's see what is happening with the US 30. The main problem with the US 30 index is that on a daily time frame right here, we got this very strong zone of demand. Yes, very strong zone of demand, respected many times in a row in the past. And look what happened. It turned out that the market violated that supply cluster to the downside. Yes, you can see that the structure was broken, and now we are trading below that. And for that reason, I'm very bearish biased, and I believe that the index can easily go lower. Yes, for now, these are our structures. Yes, our first support, then here goes our second support. Yes, and once the price breaks this one, yes, I will expect a further decline to this one. So I'm very bearish. For now, I'm very bearish. Moreover, here on a daily, we can spot a huge head and shoulders pattern, yes, with the neckline breakout. So for now, the outlook is very bearish. Yes, and of course, the uncertainty and the current geopolitical situation make the market go lower. Yes, that is what I see. Show some love and give a thumbs up. This man is great. Thank you, Jeff. Yes, thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Rodney says more info on confirmations. Bro, let me show you one more example with the confirmation. Let me on New Zealand yen, for example. On New Zealand yen, yesterday I caught a short trade. Yes, I believe it was, yes, on New Zealand yen. Very nice short trade I caught on New Zealand yen yesterday. Let me show you what was the logic behind this trade. New Zealand yen pair yesterday reached this very strong supply cluster. Yes, you can see that on a daily time frame. Here we have a very strong structural resistance that was reached. Yes, and definitely from that structure, I was looking for shorting opportunities. I really wanted to short the market from that structure. And I was looking for the confirmation. What confirmation did I get right here? Look, on the 4-hour time frame, nothing special. Yes, just bearish candles, nothing special at all. But look what I spotted on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, here the price formed this very cute descending triangle formation. Yes, here was our neckline, and here was its falling resistance. You can see how nicely the price formed this triangle, how nicely it broke the neckline, and how nicely then it retested that. Yes, we got the retest. Yes, and then the market dropped. Where it dropped to that horizontal structure support. So now I'm holding a short trade here on New Zealand yen. My position is already risk-free, and for now I expect a further decline on the pair to that structure. So you can see how nicely confirmation works. Again, I spotted key weekly structure on a daily time frame. Yes, very strong horizontal structure here. Weekly structure, daily structure. Yes, here it goes. And I was waiting for the moment when I see a confirmation to sell. Yes, I was patiently waiting for the test of that structure. Then I was watching the price action right here. Yes, I spotted this descending triangle. Then I was waiting for the neckline breakout, and then on the retest I shorted. Yes, so that is how I shorted the pair right here. Yes. Then, thanks a lot, says Mohammed. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. You are valid, bro, says Chris. Thank you, Chris. Bro, do we take round figures into consideration when trading key levels? Yes, good question, Patrick. Yes, quite often round numbers play very important role. And I don't have the good example with the round numbers, but definitely, bro, definitely round numbers are important. Yes, for hedge funds, for big money, it looks like these numbers play very important role. So definitely, definitely consider them when you analyze the structure. Then Pao says, hello Vasily, stay strong. Yes, I will, bro, I will, thank you. Any update on silver? I see bullish uptrend after uptrend rally. I am in long without leverage and thinking to sell around 28 level. Makes sense? Pao, I am very bullish on silver. Yes, let me show you what happened with silver this morning. So, traders, silver recently broke that structure. Yes, here we got very strong structural resistance, tested many times in the past, respected many times in the past, and that structure was broken to the upside. Yes, the market violated that structure. And then, look, then we got the retest of that structure. We got the retest of that structure, and here, on hourly time frame, the price formed a double bottom formation. Yes, double bottom formation, the neckline breakout, and very strong bullish continuation. So I believe that the market will keep growing. Yes, I expect a bullish continuation on silver, and for now, I expect that the market will reach at least 26.8 level, 26.7 level. Yes, that will be the next goal for buyers. So very bullish outlook right now on silver. Yes, and bullish continuation right now is expected. Yes, and thank you for asking, by the way. Let me know, traders, do you agree with me that silver looks very bullish? Mukisa says, Master, are indicators useful? Yes, definitely they are. The point is, though, that you should, it takes time to learn to apply indicator. But definitely you must learn how to apply ATR. ATR is very important indicator. It helps you to calculate the volatility of the market. Then definitely moving averages are important, and many traders use them. Even though I don't use them personally, I know that a lot of consistently profitable traders who apply moving averages. RSI can show you the moment of the potential market reversal, so definitely consider that as well. And what else do I have? Yes, I guess these are the most important. Yes, correlation coefficient, very important in my view. Yes, so indicators definitely work, but it takes time to learn how to apply them. Yes, you won't trade with indicators profitably without experience. Yes, even if you download some pro indicator strategy, read that, you won't make money immediately. It takes time to learn how to work with them. It is very hard. Let me know, traders, if you have any questions. By the way, thank you for all your questions. I truly appreciate all your questions, traders. It really means a lot to me, and I'm really happy that we have so nice, peaceful discussion. Yes, before I started the live stream, I really, I was afraid that there will be some conflict right here. As you know, right now, the entire world is quite how to say the entire world right now is divided. Yes, and It is so nice that we have peaceful dialogue right here. Thank you for that. I love you all for that, traders. Lee Kona says, amazing work. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Victor says, thank you so much, Vasily, for answering my question. I'm learning a lot from you. Thank you, Victor. Thank you. Jeff, show some love and give a thumbs up. Yes, yes, this is please. Silver Ashish. This is silver. Here is silver chart. Yes, so we already analyzed silver together. We made a prediction that the market will keep growing. We even spotted the confirmation on hourly time frame with the double bottom formation and the neckline breakout. So we expect a bullish continuation right now. Abina says, could you please analyze pound cat pair? Yes, of course. Let's analyze pound cat pair together. Let's see what is happening with the market right now. Let's start with the daily. Let's start with the daily. Let's take a look what is happening with the daily time frame on pound cat. So you can see that in February the market started to fall like crazy. Yes, and the market violated this very strong key level to the downside. Yes, that structure right here was broken. We got this bearish continuation then. And for now, the closest structure that we see is right here. Yes, that is our closest zone of demand that we see. And for now, you can see that the market didn't reach that structure. So it is too early for us to buy. For now, that structure will be the closest point from where we'll look for a pullback trade. So for now, watch carefully for the test of that structure first before you buy. If you want to sell though, for shorting, that is the closest structure for us to watch. Yes, so let the price reach that structure first. Yes, and then look for the confirmation to sell from here. Also, if you want to sell, I would consider a breakout trade. In case if the price breaks that structure to the downside, I guess we can expect a further decline. And on a retest, you can look for shorting. Yes, so that will be these are three options for you to follow right here. Yes, so watch carefully at these structures and trade them. Yes. What is the target of gold after all-time high? Very good question, Mohammed. Very good question. Let's open gold together. By the way, traders, personally, what do you think? Once gold reaches the all-time structure high, where it will go next? What are your thoughts? Give me the numbers, because it is a very good question. It is very, 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 very good question, and it is really hard to see where will be the next target. So let me know. But the only thing that we can apply right here to spot the next structure, I guess we can apply FIBs. Yes, we can apply a FIB extension tool. So first of all, we have a very nice impulse lag right here. And that impulse lag we may apply for drawing the extension. Yes. And remember, traders, that for extensions, we apply 1272, 1414, and 1618. These are the levels that we apply for measuring the extensions. And we need one more leg. We need one more leg. And here is our second leg to watch. Yes. And let's draw the extensions again. Yes. From low to high. Let's draw the FIB extension. Yes. And our task is to find the confluence zones. Yes. The points of confluence. We can even add the third one just to watch, for example, this one. This leg I also really like. So let's draw the extensions based on this one. Yeah, like that. Yeah. So traders, look what we have. The first strong structure then that we will watch is that structure cluster around 2230, 40. Yes, that will be the first structure to watch. But the most important structure for us to be focused on is that structure cluster from 2316 to 2339. Yes, that will be the next zone for us to watch. So there is no guarantee that the market will respect the structures. But of course, you must frequently people ask me why the hell this fib extension works. The point is that the bankers, the hedge fund managers, they also don't know where is the next structure. So they need to rely on something. And it is funny, but they apply the FEPs. Yes, I know the people who work in hedge funds, in banks, and yeah, and they really use the FEPs. Yes, that is true. So that is why, even though there is no logic behind these numbers, it works just because people use them. So this will be the levels for you to watch. I hope it is clear. Kyron says mostly 1618. Yes, 1618 is very nice extension. And this structure, here we have the confluence between the 1272, 1618, and 1414. So that one here is the perfect confluence zone for us to watch. Yeah, and yes, I do agree that order blocks that may help here as well. Yes, I do agree. Erika says Aussie dollar. Erika, we already analyzed Aussie dollar here, so you can watch the recording, but the bias right now is very bullish, and on Aussie dollar we are expecting a bullish continuation. Hey Vasily, could you tell more about your signal service? Yes, cheers. So as you know, for some time, most of the time, I'm on YouTube for more than a year. Yes, and as you know, I didn't have a signal service. But with the current situation, yes, I have some problems. Yes, my main trading account is blocked in Russia, yes, and for that reason I need to build a new account very quickly. So I decided to start a signal service. So from last week I started a signal service where I share my trades. Yes, I share all the trades that I take there, so you can join. Yes, that will be the best way, by the way, to support my channel. So check my website or text me after the live stream for more details. Yes, thank you for asking, John. Yes. Can you enlighten me on order blocks? I'm always confused whenever I hear that. So, to be honest, I don't use this strategy. I don't trade with this strategy, and I have no experience trading order blocks. But the point is that with order blocks, I guess you can spot the levels where hedge funds have their orders, and with that make the predictions. And I'm really sorry because I'm not experienced in that topic, but yeah, probably in future I will learn more about that and will teach you. Yes, so Kyron says maybe we can check the fib extension. Yes, that's what we did on gold. We applied fib extension, yes, and with the fib extension we spotted these levels together. Yes, Abina says thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Let me know, traders, if you have any question. Yes, as you can see, I'm trying to answer all the questions that you ask, so feel free to ask your questions. Let me check briefly in my list if I wanted to show you something else. Yes, just in brief about New Zealand dollar traders. Similar to Aussie dollar, on New Zealand dollar I am very bullish. Yes, on New Zealand dollar I am very bullish, or not bullish. Let me remember. No, on Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar right now are quite different. Yes, they are really different right now. If Aussie dollar broke the key level, it looks like New Zealand dollar still respected the key level. You can see that for now the structure right here looks respected. So who knows? Even though here we got a very long wick to the upside violating that structure, it looks that for now the structure is still respected. So the situation is very tricky on New Zealand dollar, and for now I would suggest waiting for the breakout of the structure cluster and then on the retest buy, expecting a bullish continuation. So that is the plan for New Zealand dollar, but very tricky situation right here. Yes. Danny says, I truly appreciate. Thank you, Danny. Thank you so much. And also says, hello, Vasily. What time frame is best for analyzing the market as a day trader or a swing trader? Daily time frame, bro. Daily time frame is important for everyone. Daily time frame shows you the global market trend. It gives you the key levels. Yes, it tells you really a lot about the market. So daily time frame is the time frame that you must analyze. Yes. Then natural gas, says Lila. Yes, of course. Let's analyze natural gas. And of course, natural gas right now is driven by fundamentals. Yes, right now everything is about war. Yeah, so who knows what to expect from that. But from what we see, for now, natural gas perfectly respected that structure. Yes, on the weekly time frame, we get this very strong horizontal structure support. And by the way, with my students, we managed to catch a very nice long trade from that structure. Yes, so that structure for now looks respected, and definitely we are trading in a bullish trend. So bias for now is very bullish on natural gas, and you can see that analyzing the price action on a daily. For now, here we have a bullish trend. Yes, for now you can see that the price keeps setting the high lows, high highs. So I believe that gas will keep growing, and quite soon I believe that structure will be reached, and then the market will go higher to that structure. So very, very bullish bias, but unfortunately for now I don't see any good trading opportunity for you to trade on natural gas. So waiting. Yeah. Can we draw a line of 2 weekly tops for target, says Mohammed. Mohammed, I don't really get your question. 2 weekly tops for target. Please text me after the live stream. Yes, show me what you mean and I will try to answer, because for now I don't get your question, bro. Yes, what is your view on Tata Motors, says True Shy. I have no idea what is Tata Motors. Some company, yeah. Yeah, let's briefly take a look what is happening. It looks like the market is crashing right here, bro. So for you, watch that weekly structure. Yes, that weekly structure may give you a very nice point to buy from. So let the price reach that structure, then wait for the confirmation right here to buy. Yes, wait for some reversal pattern right here to buy, expecting a bullish continuation. If the price goes lower, here will be the next strong structure for you to watch. Yes, so these are 2 key levels for you to watch for buying. For now, the global trend is still bullish, so I would look for the trend following opportunities right here. Yes. Then, good thing you mentioned about order blocks. Can you show some examples? A lot of different people calling different things order blocks, which is confusing. To me, it is confusing as well. I would show you something about that if I knew if I knew how to use it, but I don't know how to use it. So it is better not to show the things, because I have no experience. I can show you the things and they might be wrong. Yeah, so let me learn that first. Let me try that first, and then, only then, I will teach you about that. Yes. Then I am with you almost 1 year, and only today I heard about signal service. Yeah, because I didn't have a signal service. Yes, I just started that. Yes, I just started that because yes, I am in trouble. So that is why I started. I trade OB, but can't type to explain. It is very good in trading. Yes, I know it is good, and I know that some traders use it, but to me it is very confusing. Yes. When I was looking for the trading strategy to trade, I was looking for something that really makes sense to me. And price action truly makes sense. Yes, I can feel the logic of the market participants analyzing the price action. Yes, I can see what big players are doing when I analyze the price action. So to me, price action is the key. Yes. Let me know, traders, if you have any question. Let me know, traders, if you want to ask me something. How to text you? I have the way to explain. Yes, I see. We have a conversation here in the chat concerning order blocks. Nice, 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 nice. Krista says, "Hi mate, where would you consider entering natural gas?" So bro, let's take a look. Let's take a look where it is better to enter on natural gas. Let's check if we have any. I guess, bro, the first strong structure to watch is right here. Yes, that is the first key level that I see. Yes, from that level, I would look for buying opportunities. Yes, very, very, very strong key level. The next strong key level to watch is right here. Yes, current local structure level. So these are two levels for you to watch. It looks like right now we have a local correction right here. So be prepared for the test. Be prepared for the test of that structure. And then right here, look for the confirmation to buy. Yes, that is what I would suggest you right here. Yeah. Thank you so much for you answering all our questions. You are the best. Thank you, Indosa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Do we get the signal on the Telegram educational group? Yes, in the premium educational group, I share all the trades. So yesterday I recorded for my students all the trading setups that we discussed with you today. So yesterday the trade on pound Aussie, on euro yen, on euro cat, all these trades were shared with entry, stop, and target, and the explanation. Of course, I always share with my students the trades that I personally take, and moreover, if something is not clear, my students always text me and ask, and I always explain. Yes, thank you for asking, Sammy. I want to join. Please let us know how. Just text me on Telegram. Yes, text me on Telegram, on Instagram, anywhere you can, and I will answer and I will give you more details. Thank you, my friends. Thinking very similar. Thank you, friends. Thank you for this discussion. Yes, it is so nice that we can have a conversation like that. Let me know when do you want to see the next live stream, the day, the time. What is the most preferable day for you? It is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know. For now, I'm trying to do that on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, but probably for you some other days preferable. Let me know, traders. Yes, I'm always trying to listen to you. Yes, I'm always reading all your comments on YouTube, on Trading Views. So to me, your opinion is very, 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 very important. Yes. Can you look at Barrick Gold? It is gold mining company under. Nice. Let's take a look at this. Barrick Gold. Never heard about this one. Barrick Gold Corporation. Yes, it should be bullish. Yes, should be bullish. Yeah, definitely. So it is. It acts like gold. Yes, like CFDs on gold. Not like that. So, bro, for now, watch that structure. You can see that ahead is a very strong structural resistance that the market is approaching right now. So to you, if you want to buy, definitely you should wait for the bullish breakout of the structure first. Yes, and then on the retest, try to buy, expecting a bullish continuation to this highs. Or you can watch that structure cluster right here. Yes, in case of the price reaches that structure cluster, from here I would also look for buying opportunities. So two options. Definitely the market right now is preparing for a strong bullish movement. So these are two options for you to catch a bullish continuation. But remember, bro, while the market is trading below that structure, technically speaking, it remains bearish. Yes, so buy this structure only after the breakout, because the market right now can easily retrace from that. I hope it is clear. Indrina says, coffee, please. Yes, coffee. Let's take a look at coffee together. Yes, this one, coffee. I guess it is bullish as well. Yes, bullish. Oh, not that bullish. It dropped. I didn't see this bearish movement, by the way, on coffee. So what to watch right now on coffee? I guess we are right now trading on the key level. Wow, yes. Do you see the key level right here? Very nice key level right now here on coffee. What else we have? We broke the trend line. Let's add that trend line. Yes, so we dropped to that key structure, and on that key structure we formed two very nice doji candles. Then if we open a 4-hour time frame, look, very nice bullish engulfing candle right here. Yes, very nice bullish engulfing candle. I really like this candle right here. So probably someone is buying already. Then what else do we have right here in the 4-hour? I'm just trying to check some trend lines. Nothing special right here. Let's try, yeah, on hourly time frame. Definitely it's a perfect buying opportunity for us right now. Let's check. Trend line breakout. Not only trend line, channel breakout. Yes, falling channel breakout on hourly. Double bottom formation with the neckline breakout right here. I will definitely buy. Yes, I will definitely buy. For now, unfortunately, I have some problems with my trading account, so I can't trade coffee. Unfortunately, it is restricted to me, but I would definitely buy, expecting a bullish continuation. Yes, at least to that structure cluster. So very bullish I would look for now. Yes, break even your position once the price reaches that structure. Yes, make your position risk-free once that structure is reached. And yes, and hold. Let the price reach that structure, your first goal, and then expect a bullish continuation to our current structure high. Yes, very nice long trade in my view. So let's see. Abel says, just join now, and I'm sure I have missed a lot, but you well, sir. Thank you. Hello, I'm you. It's downtrend now. Boy, alpha game. Let me know, what are you asking about? Downtrend where? On coffee? On coffee right now, it is still a bullish trend. Even though locally the market dropped, you can see that globally the perspective is very the perspective is very bullish. Lila asked to analyze oil. Let's take a look at oil and let's analyze that together. So on oil yesterday, we got a gap. Yes, we got a gap that was filled. Yes, here was the gap that the market formed. Yes, and that gap was filled. And what we know about the gaps, 80% of the time gaps are filled. Yes, so you can see how nicely the market filled that gap, and then from that structure the market started to grow. So for now the outlook on on oil is very bullish. Yes, for now the outlook on gold is, on oil is very bullish, and I expect a bullish continuation. Yes, I believe that oil will keep growing, and it looks like right now the market is going to that structures around 141, 146, 47. That is right now the goal for buyers. Yes, for I guess shorting right now is a very risky thing. Buying is the only option in my view. Yes. Richard says, how can I join your Signal group? Text me on Telegram or Instagram and I will give you the details, Richard. Yes. And you can find the links on the YouTube channel. Yes, there you can find the link on my Instagram and on my Telegram channel. So there you can contact me. So coffee analyzed for you. Ayman says, sometimes people draw trend lines on the wick. Sometimes people draw on the candle close. Is there any specific reason for that? Yeah, I guess it is very kind of subjective thing, but I prefer drawing trend lines based on wicks. In my view, wicks is a better approach to follow. Yes. Thank you so much, and may God continue to bless and protect you. Thank you, Victor. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate all these words. Yes. Why is your trading account blocked? Maybe we can learn from it. Yeah, my main trading account was with Russian broker. Yeah, and you know what happened right now. And right now, trading all dollar instruments, I must pay 12% commission. And that is crazy. So 12% commission for each trade, no matter whether it is a winning trade or a losing trade. Moreover, gold trading, silver trading, oil trading is totally restricted, totally blocked. So yeah, so you see what happened. And yeah, and that is crazy. And moreover, I can't withdraw money. Yeah, so yeah, it is completely terrible. Yeah. Cooper USD, please, says Shresta. Yes, let's analyze Cooper together, traders. Let's take a look what is up with Cooper. Very bullish. Yes, looks like very bullish. Like all the commodities here, we got our key structure, very strong structure right here. Yes, for now, I guess it is the closest structure for us to buy from. The next strong structure for us to watch is the trend line. Yes, so 2 points for you to look for to catch bullish continuation. Wait for the test of one of those and then look for the confirmation to buy. Yes, that is what we are looking for on Cooper traders. Yes, very, very, very bullish buys. Here we have a perfect example of the ascending triangle formation. Yes, a bullish accumulation. This bullish accumulation pattern was broken to the upside, and as we know, it is a very, 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 very strong bullish signal. Yeah. So traders, let me know when do you want to see the next live stream. Let me know the preferable date. Let me know the preferable time. Also, just in case if I didn't notice your question, please text me after the live stream on Telegram or on Instagram. I will answer. Yes. Also, thank you so much for all your support. I really need that right now, and I appreciate all this great words. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you for peaceful conversation. Yes, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching the live stream today.